Welcome to Organizing with Ease, where we simplify and organize our lives for the better. I'm Deanna Mall, your host, here to guide you towards a more organized and enriching life. Together, let's explore practical strategies, inspiring stories, and expert advice to simplify every aspect of our lives. Are you ready to embark on this journey with ease? Let's start. Hello, friends, and welcome back to Organizing with Ease, where we simplify your life one step at a time. I'm your host, Deanna Mall, and I'm excited to have you join me for today's episode. If you're tuning in for the first time, welcome. You've come to the right place if you're looking to take the stress out of holiday organizing. For those of you returning, it's great to have you come back. Today's episode is all about helping you transform your holiday organizing. We're moving beyond just simple tips and getting into strategies that will help you completely change how you approach the holiday season. So, from gift giving to budgeting, to keeping your home in order, and just so much more. It's time to rethink the way that we prepare for the holidays and find ways to smoother, more joyful, and less stressful. So let's start about talking about rethinking your holiday to-do list. Many of us create what? Those endless to-do lists that leave us feeling what? Overwhelmed before the holidays even begin. Can you relate? I know I can. But there's this one thing. You just don't need to do everything. Doesn't that sound really good? Like, really, Deanna? Yes, because transforming your holiday season starts with focusing on what truly matters. So ask yourself, what are the non-negotiables for this holiday season? Maybe it's spending quality time with family, enjoying a holiday tradition, or preparing a special meal. Prioritize those things and let go of any extra tasks that don't add real value. According to the study by the American Psychology Association, 69% of the people feel stressed by the holidays, often due to what? Having too many things to do on their quote unquote to-do list. So once you've prioritized, look for ways to delegate the task. Can someone else take care of the gift wrapping? What about the decorating? Or even the food prep? You don't have to do it all. This year, consider simplifying your to-do list by sharing the workload with family members, or even consider outsourcing certain tasks. Consider using an app like Todoist to create and share holiday task lists with family members. This way, everyone knows what they're responsible for, and you can keep track of their progress in real. It's just so tempting to take on new projects. Well, like, I don't know, baking 12 different types of cookies maybe, or creating an elaborate DIY decoration. But remember, simplicity is key. Focus on the activities and traditions you enjoy the most and just skip the extras. So now let's talk about transforming the way you approach gift giving. Gift giving also oftentimes causes a lot of holiday stress, but it doesn't have to. Here's how you can simplify and still make it meaningful. One way to transform your gift giving is to focus on experiences over physical gifts. Wow, what a concept is that? Well, it's maybe tickets to a concert, a family trip, or a cooking class. It's all about the experience of the gifts that can also bring joy well beyond the holiday season. Just a thought. So, another consideration is maybe setting a theme for your gifts this year. This could be self-care kits, it could be books, or even handmade items. Having a theme simplifies your shopping by giving you a clear focus. Plus, it can add a thoughtful touch to your gift giving process, right? People will forget what you said. People will forget what you did. But people will never forget how you made them feel, as Maya Angelou said. For larger families or friends groups, suggest a gift exchange. Who doesn't love a gift exchange? I love them. Instead of buying for everyone individually, you can draw names in advance, you set a budget, make the experience more personalized, stress-free, and a lot of times super fun. You can use apps like Draw Names, yes, that does exist, and Elfster, yes, that does exist, to organize your gift exchanges, making it easier to track on who's buying for whom, set budgets, and share the wish list. One of the biggest areas where we can transform our holiday organizing is through budgeting. Many of us overspend during the holiday season, but by creating a clear budget, you can avoid the financial stress that often follows. Your budget should include more than just gifts. Think about the costs for decorations, holiday meals, travel, or any events or even experiences you want to enjoy. By accounting for everything up front, you will have a better handle on your overall holiday spending. The National Retail Federation reports that the average holiday spending per person in 2023 was approximately $1,000. So, creating a detailed budget can help you keep your finances in check. This is something that we have to do because once you've set your budget, now you have to stick to it. So, track your spending throughout the season to avoid going overboard, which is just very tempting, especially with all these early pre sale Black Fridays that we've had going on, right? And even till the very end. But apps like You Need a Budget, yes, YNAB, or Mint, MINT, are great for setting and tracking holiday budgets in real time. So, when shopping, focus on gifts or experiences that bring lasting value. This means investing in quality over quality, or choosing gifts that align with your loved ones' needs or interests. Another way to transform your holiday season is by setting up efficient systems in your home to make everything run smoothly. Set up a prep station for the holidays where you keep all of your supplies all in one place: wrapping paper, ribbons, scissors, tape, gift bags, etc. This eliminates the need to just scramble around looking for supplies when it's time to wrap those gifts. And this year it will be in my office, considering that my kitchen will probably not be done in time for the holidays. So there you have it. So if you're expecting guests, think about how you can arrange your home to make it welcoming and more functional. Whether it's designating a spot for, those winter coats, maybe even shoes, or setting up a coffee station in the morning. Simple systems make a huge difference. So don't wait until after the holidays to clean up. Decluttering as you go helps you keep things much more manageable. Whether it's clearing out old decorations while you're decorating to make space for those new ones, or cleaning up wrapping supplies after each gift wrapping session. Staying tidy throughout the season can ease your post holiday burnout. Now, as always, let's talk about the fresh start method. How can this method help you transform your holiday organizing? This method is designed to simplify and streamline your life, and it works wonders even during the holiday season. Start by sorting through your holiday priorities. What truly matters to you this season? Is it spending time with family? Hosting a gathering? Focus on those priorities and sort out any tasks or commitments that don't align with your core values. We want to then reduce your to do list by letting go of tasks that are adding unnecessary stress. Evaluate what you can cut back on, whether it's trimming down your holiday party calendar or opting out for those desserts made by a local bakery, supporting the community instead of making everything from scratch, or ask a friend. Set up systems that create harmony in your home and life. Use a gift tracker to organize your shopping. Establish a routine for the holiday prep. Keep the supplies in a designated area to make things so much more easier to find and use. The key is to sustaining your holiday joy is to keep things tidy as you go. So again, little by little, step by steps. But as you can see now, you just don't want to let your holiday clutter build up. So you clean up after each task, whether it's decorating, gift wrapping, or preparing for meals. And you'll find that your home stays organized throughout the season, even by these little things that you're doing. For this week's challenge, I want you to choose just one area where you can transform your holiday organizing. It could be simplifying your gift giving by setting up a theme, or a gift exchange, or even maybe setting up a holiday prep station where you keep all your wrapping supplies in one place. Focus on small, just one manageable change that will make your holiday season smoother and much more enjoyable. Once you picked your focus, take action and see how it transforms your holiday prep. And I'd love to hear from you. How is it going? So I would love to hear from you, and I can't wait to see how you're making your holidays even easier. Thank you so much for tuning in today's episodes of Organizing with Ease. I hope today's tips and the Fresh Start method help you transform your holiday organizing in a more meaningful way. Next week, we'll dive into prepping your holiday travel and winter wellness, where I'll share tips on how to pack efficiently, organize your itinerary, and make traveling during the holidays stress-free. Until then, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you next time. Lastly, all the apps that I mentioned will be linked in the show notes. Take care. Hey there, listeners. I've got some incredible news. You ready? Doors are officially open for the live 3-day decluttering and organizing your 2025 Get It Done, Let's GID It bootcamp. Have you ever wondered how much lighter you would feel if your home was organized? What would it mean to start my mornings without stress and chaos? How would it feel to wake up on January the 1st knowing my space is set up for success in the new year? This bootcamp is your chance to find out. Starting on December the 26th through December the 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, I'll guide you through 3 transformative sessions that will help you reclaim your home and your peace of mind. On day 1, we'll simplify your kitchen, the heart of your home, to make daily routines easier. On day 2, we're going to transform your bedroom into a calm and restful retreat. And day 3, we're going to organize your closet so you can start your mornings stress-free. What's even better is you're going to get even bonus checklists to bring order to your home office and playroom, extending the transformation to every corner of your home. So join live for a chance to win fun daily giveaways. You ready? I'm so excited to include a Rocketbook flip or a 25 gift card, because getting organized should also be fun. And if you schedule getting busy during the holidays, don't worry. Replays are available only if you register. So for 60 minutes a day, you'll gain the tools and strategies to not only declutter, but to maintain your space and systems for the long term. Together, we'll answer the big question: how do I keep this up? Dates again are December the 26th through the 28th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. This isn't just about tidying up. It's about creating a home that works for you, supports your goals, and helps you step into 2025 with clarity, calm, and confidence. Now ask yourself, how would it feel to finally get it done? What would change for you if your home became a place of peace and not stress? Let's make it happen together. You ready? Click the link in the show notes to register now. Doors will close at midnight on December the 20th. And join me for this transformative bootcamp. I can't wait to see you there. Let's get it done. If you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe to Organizing with Ease podcast on your favorite podcast platform and leave us a review. Your feedback helps us grow and reach more listeners like you who are passionate about living their best lives. And remember, a new episode comes out every Thursday at 8 a.m. So mark your calendar and join us. Until next week, take care and keep shining bright.